Imagine a night sky unlike any you've ever seen. Imagine a canvas of deep indigo, suddenly ignited with vibrant hues of green, pink, and violet. This isn't a dream, it's the Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of light that has captivated humanity for millennia. The northern lights, as they are often called, are not mere streaks of color across the sky. They are dynamic, ever-shifting curtains of light, dancing and rippling with an ethereal grace that seems almost alive. The show can be subtle, with gentle waves of light washing across the horizon, or it can erupt in a breathtaking crescendo, with vibrant beams of light shooting skyward, illuminating the night with an otherworldly glow. This spectacle, visible in the high-latitude regions of our planet, is a testament to the raw power and beauty of the universe. It's a reminder that we live on a dynamic planet, constantly interacting with the forces of space. And it's an invitation to step outside, look up, and marvel at the wonders that lie beyond our world. The Aurora Borealis might seem like magic, but there's a fascinating scientific explanation behind its ethereal beauty. It all starts with our sun, a star in a constant state of activity. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. When the solar wind reaches Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field. Some particles penetrate the magnetic field near the poles, exciting atmospheric atoms and releasing light. This light is what we see as the Aurora Borealis, a breathtaking display of color and movement. Chasing the northern lights can be an adventure in itself, but knowing where to go significantly increases your chances of witnessing this celestial spectacle. The key is to head north, towards the auroral oval, a ring-shaped zone around the magnetic North Pole where aurora activity is most intense. Some of the best places to see the northern lights include the northern regions of Canada, Alaska, Norway, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, and Greenland. These locations offer vast dark skies with minimal light pollution, providing optimal conditions for aurora viewing. Within these regions, specific locations have gained reputations as prime aurora viewing spots. In Norway, the Lofoten Islands and Tromsø offer stunning backdrops for the lights, with towering mountains and picturesque fjords reflecting the aurora's glow. In Alaska, Fairbanks is a popular destination, while in Canada, the Yukon Territory and Yellowknife offer excellent viewing opportunities. Iceland, with its dramatic landscapes and geothermal wonders, provides a unique and unforgettable setting for witnessing the northern lights. While location is key, timing is equally crucial when it comes to maximizing your chances of seeing the northern lights. The aurora is a fickle phenomenon, influenced by solar activity and weather conditions. However, some general guidelines can help you plan your aurora adventure. The northern lights are most visible during the winter months, from late September to early April. During this time, the nights are long and dark, providing ample opportunity to witness the aurora's ethereal glow. The best time to see the lights is often between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. when the sky is at its darkest. However, the aurora can appear at any time of night and even during the day if the display is strong enough. It's important to monitor aurora forecasts, which provide real-time updates on solar activity and aurora predictions. Websites and apps like spaceweather.com and the Aurora Forecast app can be invaluable tools for aurora chasers. Weather conditions also play a crucial role in aurora visibility. Clear, dark skies are essential, as clouds can easily obscure the lights. Choose a location with minimal light pollution, away from city lights for the best viewing experience. Legends of the North. Ancient tales of the Aurora Borealis. For centuries, the northern lights have inspired awe and wonder, weaving themselves into mythology and folklore. Ancient civilizations created stories to explain this celestial phenomenon, attributing the lights to gods, spirits, or supernatural forces. In Norse mythology, the aurora was believed to be the Bifrost Bridge, connecting Midgard to Asgard. This bridge was guarded by Heimdallr, the watchman of the gods. The Inuit people have their own stories about the northern lights. Some legends describe the aurora as spirits playing a game in the sky. Others believe the lights are the spirits of their ancestors, dancing in the heavens. In Finnish mythology, the aurora is created by a magical fox named Tuulikettu. These stories reflect the enduring human fascination with this celestial phenomenon. Colors of the cosmos. The spectrum of the northern lights. The Aurora Borealis is most often associated with vibrant green hues, But this celestial ballet of light can paint the night sky with a surprisingly diverse palette of colors. The colors of the aurora are determined by the types of atoms in the Earth's atmosphere that are being energized by solar particles. Green, the most common color, is produced by oxygen atoms that are excited at lower altitudes, around 60 miles above the Earth's surface. When these oxygen atoms collide with solar particles, they release energy in the form of green light, creating the mesmerizing emerald curtains that dance across the sky. At higher altitudes, above 100 miles, oxygen atoms produce a rare all-red aurora. This crimson glow, often less intense than its green counterpart, requires exceptionally high levels of solar activity to occur. Nitrogen atoms, when excited by solar particles, produce blue and purple hues. These colors are often seen at the lower edges of the aurora, where the charged particles penetrate deeper into the atmosphere. A mixture of gases can create even more diverse colors, with pink, yellow, and white hues adding to the spectacle. The sounds of silence, an unexpected sensory experience. The Aurora Borealis is most often described as a visual spectacle, but some observers report hearing sounds accompanying the lights. These sounds, often described as crackling, hissing, or whooshing noises, have long been a subject of debate and intrigue. While the scientific community has traditionally been skeptical of auroral sounds, recent research suggests that these sounds may be real, albeit difficult to explain. One theory suggests that the sounds are caused by electromagnetic waves generated by the aurora interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. These electromagnetic waves, known as very low-frequency VLF radio waves, can induce vibrations in objects on the ground, potentially creating audible sounds. Another theory proposes that the sounds are caused by electrostatic discharge, similar to the crackling sound of static electricity. Whatever the cause, the reported sounds of the aurora add another layer of mystery and wonder to this already captivating phenomenon. If you're lucky enough to witness the northern lights, listen closely. You might just hear the whispers of the cosmos. Capturing the elusive aurora. Photographing the northern lights presents both challenges and rewards. With the right preparation and a bit of luck, you can preserve your aurora encounter in stunning detail. A sturdy tripod is essential for stabilizing your camera during long exposures. A camera with manual settings is crucial to achieve optimal exposure. The thrill of the chase. Planning your aurora adventure. Planning an aurora adventure is an exciting endeavor, filled with anticipation and the promise of witnessing one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. A successful aurora chase requires careful planning, flexibility, and a bit of luck. Start by choosing your destination wisely. Consider factors such as aurora visibility, accessibility, and the range of activities and accommodations available. Research different tour operators specializing in aurora viewing, as they can provide valuable insights and logistical support. Pack for all types of weather conditions, as temperatures can fluctuate dramatically in high-latitude regions. Layers are key, as are waterproof and windproof outer layers. Don't forget essentials like hats, gloves, scarves, and warm socks. Be prepared for the unexpected. The aurora is a fickle phenomenon, and even with the best planning, there's no guarantee of a sighting. Embrace the adventure, enjoy the journey, and be open to the possibility of unexpected discoveries along the way. Respecting the light's ethical considerations for aurora viewing. As the popularity of aurora tourism grows, it's crucial to approach this experience with respect for the environment, local cultures, and fellow aurora chasers. Here are some ethical considerations to keep in mind. Minimize your impact on the environment. Follow leave no trace principles, packing out everything you pack in, and staying on designated trails. Respect wildlife and avoid disturbing their natural habitats. Support local communities. Choose accommodations, tour operators, and businesses that are locally owned and operated. Engage with local cultures and learn about their traditions and perspectives on the northern lights. Be mindful of other aurora viewers. Avoid using bright lights such as car headlights or flash photography, which can ruin the viewing experience for others. Keep noise levels down and be respectful of those around you. Remember that the northern lights are a natural phenomenon, not a guaranteed spectacle. Approach your aurora adventure with a sense of wonder, humility, and respect for the forces of nature that create this celestial display. A universe of wonders, the enduring allure of the Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis, a celestial ballet of light, continues to captivate humanity with its ethereal beauty and mysterious allure. From ancient myths and legends to modern scientific understanding, this phenomenon has inspired awe and wonder for centuries. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, unraveling the secrets of the universe, the northern lights serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet with the vastness of space. They are a testament to the power of nature, the beauty of science, and the enduring human fascination with the unknown. So venture north, chase the aurora, and immerse yourself in this celestial spectacle. Let the dancing lights ignite your imagination, spark your curiosity, and remind you of the infinite wonders that lie beyond our world. The universe awaits, filled with mysteries to unravel and beauty to behold. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.